Welcome to our website, Become an Olympian. In this website, we try to explore some factors like nationality, physique, and age to identify what can maximize your chances of being a successful Olympian. So let's get started. We start with country. From this bar chart, we can see which countries have won the most Olympic medals. If you just want to look at which countries sent the most Olympians, move on to our map where we can see just that. And finally, we can move on to our scatter plot where we can see what is the correlation between more athletes and more medals, and finally, whether population or GDP has any influence on these variables. On to you, Emma.
As you can see, we've included intermittent fun facts to engage the viewer. Below, however, we evaluate the importance of physique. Can you win the Olympics with any body type? The short answer is no. As you can see, trends for winning height and weight remained constant over the past 100 years. This is further corroborated by our box plot. As you can see, the middle 50% of winning athletes is quite a small distance. On to you, Annabelle.
Here, we explore the ideal age of an Olympic medalist. The viewer can use the selection options to explore the average age and when one should aim to peak in sport. We have highlighted the ideal factors in becoming an Olympian, but it is not game over if you aren't ideal. Here, we have included some incredible Olympians who weren't from a leading Olympic nations or were far from being the ideal physique or age. And this did not stop them from defying the odds and becoming Olympic champions. Anything is possible.
And finally, we hope you enjoyed our website. Sports is not just about going to the Olympics or winning medals, it's about personal growth, building connections, and having fun. Thank you for watching.